Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can save call log number to our contact on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our phone application. We're going to open it, then we can go to the recent section right here to see our call log history, and then those are my call history on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and I'm going to save one of the call log numbers from this call history. I'm just going to save this number. For example, guys, if we want to save the number, we just need to click on the number. Then we can click on add to contact, since we want to add this call log number to our contact. And we can choose create new contact or update existing contact. And I'm just going to create new contact. Then we can name the contact right here. I'm just going to name it X like this. And once we're done naming the contact, we can click on save. Then the call log number will be saved to our contact. As you can see, this call log number has been saved to my contact. Alright guys, and that's how we can save call log number to our contact on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.